Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a digital signature in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my digital signature. Now I'll edit this signature and I'll use this background logo and the signature color. Now put your mouse cursor on signature box and press right button. First select clear signature box. Also change the signature color. Now select the down arrow and select annotation. Now press right button, select properties dialog box and go appearance option. Here you can change your signature color. I'll show this color. Now select close and press hand option. Now click on the signature box and see the signature color already changed and select create option. The signature name, you can draw new signature name here if you want. And select OK and see this. And also I'll remove this logo and for the password I'll remove and select OK. Now type your password here and select sign, save it new name and OK and see the signature now says and fully modified. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.